Raj from French. Now I'm going to speak about myself that I'm going to become my king. Sorry, I'm going to become a king of French. Now I'm showing my power while speaking because there's no use to speak about English, but I'm speaking because my fluency will be increased. Now what am I speaking and understanding? I think so it is a voice. It is right or not?
Right.
Okay, he knows about voice. Bro, I want to ask you one question that
Why not? You can ask me.
first of all, you will have to tell me that would you mind telling me?
Why not? I would like mind tell you.
Tell you, how are you using? First of all, you should know one thing very well. If you are speaking would mind, so there will be used ing, and that you have not used. Now you are not right. Second, so the camera because he is speaking. Idiot. Just you can look. They are king. Are you king?
Yeah.
Really, they are king. They want to become. Just tag it. Everyone come here and tag it. I think so. My teacher had told me about this type tags, this type tags, this type tags. But it is a king tag. Everyone can do this tag. But and now my personal tag, which someone will not do, only I will do so this tag. Okay, it will go on my Instagram and also on YouTube. So if you would like to subscribe us, so just subscribe us because I will give you as like that meanings, as like that user, which is a very compulsory for you. If you think about this type, so you will get much detective, and I will detect yourself that. Do you know what the Hindi meaning of detect? I am telling you. खत्म कर देना first of all, and I think so which is a value which will give you value as a that sir sanchalak. It is a value of an inspector, and before inspector it comes. That means it is the head of inspector, and after that SP is the head of inspector, DSP, ACP, and inspector. Okay, now I'm telling you about some tips as like how to speak so much good English in front of a native speaker. Do you know what the Hindi meaning of native speaker? I think everyone doesn't know about it. Native speaker who speaks so much good English in front of anyone, who speaks so much smooth. I'm not speaking smooth but I'm telling you how to speak good English in front of native speaker. If you are looking that someone is speaking so much fast, so much good, so don't fear to him because he is a native speaker and he will talk to you very smoothly. And if you show them that you have also power, so you can show only smooth English. You can't show angry English because English is not spoken by means of angry. English is spoken by means of smoothly and very calmly. English should be spoken this type. And if you are speaking, so do you know? I think so. I had English spoken. And if you are not thinking about this type, so I have had English spoken. And if you are not thinking about this type, so I will have had English spoken. And if you will not think about this, so I think I could have had English spoken. And if you are thinking that I can have English spoken, never you can understand this type of word. And if you are understanding, so just tell me in my comment box that what is the cup of tea in front of ourselves. And if you are not showing yourself, so we will think about it that you have not any power to speak in front of us. Because I think so, a literate person can't speak in front of me because I know one thing very well, which is my use I can't give to anyone because service everyone knows. That means if you will know about that fact, that what service, this sir will give. But which is my personal use, I can't account for anyone. Do you know what the Hindi meaning of account for? I am telling you. Karan batana. And if someone is knowing about English, so just come here. I'm challenging to everyone that who have power to speak in front of me. And if you have anyone a problem, so tell me yes or not.
Yes.
Yes, just come on.